Today we're gonna be replacing the brake pads on this 2003 Ford it's E350, but it's pretty much F350 because the axle is out of a F series. It's a Dana 60. So the reason I'm changing these pads, I can hear like pretty bad noise coming out of the brakes, and as you can see, this is the new one and this is the old one. And I mean, there's still some meat, but it's just been making like weird noises, so it's about the time to replace them. The things you're gonna need for this are the new pads, all the clips, and a clamp, and a basic socket set. Bolt and one at the bottom here you need to remove, but there's also this little screw that's holding the line, so you're gonna loosen this one, put some support here so you can rest the brake, and then we're gonna take it off. So the little guy here is 5/16 for the line, and then this guy here is what, it's 11/16. But they're just noisy, so that's why I'm replacing them. The other side was worse, they were pretty worn out. So take these off. It's not too old, it's like 2 years old, so unless there's some damage here, I don't see any reason to replace this. Now I'm gonna push these, like, see how they are out quite a bit, so I'm gonna push these pistons back. So I'm gonna get a block of wood here. This clamp. So slowly they're going in. Just readjust a little bit. Yeah, that's better.